testing out the new Squid jigs in size 2.5. Throwing the white diamond. So it's beautiful, nice and calm. And we're fishing around rocks, so a nice white jig will stand out. Easy for the squid to see. There's plenty of bait moving. So I don't reckon it'll be long until I hook up. I actually saw him come up and grab the jig. He's on the beach now. See that squid? Not sure if you can see it, but he's actually doing a little shimmer. And they do that to kind of hypnotize their prey. Really interesting. So there we go. Size 2.5, white diamond. Squid jig. That's probably about a 26 centimeter squid. Look at that. Oh, that is a nice one. I reckon he might be in a school, so let's get out there and get some more. My favourite spot close to home has definitely succeeded today. It's gone 13 squid of all sizes on a Squid jigs, white diamond size 2.5. Honestly, it is super calm out there. Nice clear water, a white jig stands out beautifully. So, that's great.